So this will be an unboxing of the Sennheiser AVX wireless lavalier microphone. Now I decided to go ahead and upgrade my sound for this channel. This entire time, and the audio that you're hearing right now is from a Maono Lavalier mic. This is just a super cheap $20 lavalier mic. So I'll link to this down below if you're interested in something super cheap also. But I decided, you know what, it's time to upgrade my sound game. So I did some searching around and came across this kit. Digital wireless lavalier mic set. Sennheiser AVX. Very nice. Alright, so go ahead and let's see. Open this up and see what we get in the box. We'll do a sound test after the video also. So let's see. Where do I begin? Okay, here's your books and stuff, which this should be self-explanatory. Let's see. Whoa! Stuff falling out. Here you go. This is your little windscreen you covered the lavalier with. So you put that right here. This is your XLR to mini jack input. Take a look at that. This is what goes to your receiver, and this goes to your DSLR camera. Very nice. Here we get, let's see. This is your little mount here for your receiver. Pretty cool. Let's see. Here we get this is your power brick, I think. Yes, power supply to charge your receiver and transmitter. And in here, this is your little adapter here to plug into the wall. Very nice. Okay. Let's see. Nothing in here. And this is the lavalier mic itself. This is your little clip. You clip on your clothing. And this is the actual lav mic. Go ahead and unwind this real fast. Oh man. Okay, here we go. And here we go. Check this out. This is the ME2 mic. If you're wondering, there's two versions. This is the ME2 and there's the more expensive MK2, I think it's called, or MKE2, something like that. I went with the cheaper version. Should be good enough for my needs here on the channel. So here it is. Check out the length of the cable. It's pretty long. Okay. And then the little windscreen here, you can put this on top of the mic if you want. Goes on like that. We get the idea. All right, put this to the side. And what else do we get in here? What other goodies do we get? This is the receiver. I saw a video where he said this was inhaler. I thought it was pretty funny. But anyway, this is the receiver. Very nice. And then in here we get, this is the transmitter. Okay. This is what goes on your pants or on your belt. Aha, here we go. You just kind of push this and this comes off. This is your battery. You can see it's protected by this little plastic here. And here we go. And I believe we also get a carrying case with this. Yes, we do. Oh, and here we go. Here's the little charging cable, micro USB. There we go. And so what else did I miss? And here's the little carrying pouch or carrying case. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this together real fast. I don't know if this has a charge. We're gonna find out right now. Okay, that goes in. Okay, a little bit of a charge, or 1 bar. Looks like I'm gonna have to charge this up. And then this one, let's see. This one will plug in here. So I'm gonna do that right now. Clips right on. And then this will go into the input of your camera. On the transmitter end, your microphone will plug into this right here. Now notice you have to screw it on, so you can't just yank this off. So I'm gonna do it right now. Clips right on, and this, you just torque it down a little bit. There you go. And this is the mic. You grab this guy, do it right now. Go like this, as you can see. There you go. You see that? And then this will clip on your clothing, on your shirt. And there you go. This is basically the whole setup. Now this is wireless because this is the mic, obviously. You talk into it, goes to the transmitter, and then from transmitter wirelessly goes to the receiver here, right? Which is plugged into your camera. And that's how the system works. Now this has pretty good range, 50 feet or something like that. I have to look it up, but it's pretty far. I've seen some videos where they're going some crazy lengths, and you can go pretty far with this. I don't plan to do that in this channel, but it's nice to know that I have that capability if I do need it. This is the setup. So it looks like this needs a charge. So let me go ahead and charge this up and plug it into my camera. So right now you're just hearing sound from the super cheap Maono Lavalier mic. This is 20 bucks on Amazon. So I'm gonna upgrade from this to this Sennheiser AVX kit, so the audio should be a lot better. So let me go ahead and charge this up, and I'm gonna switch over to audio right now. All right, so here it is. This is the audio from the Sennheiser AVX wireless lavalier system. I'm using the ME2 microphone. So I have the receiver right now plugged into my Sony a6500, and obviously this is the receiver right here. Now, if you're wondering, the settings on my camera, I set the gain all the way to just 1, and on the receiver, I set it to just 1 bar of gain. So I don't know how this is gonna sound. I'm gonna have to check it out in post. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hit me up in the comments and let me know what you think about the sound quality. Hopefully there's a little bit of improvement from my super cheap lavalier mic that I was using before. If you're interested in the system, I'm gonna go ahead and link it down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.